Nakuha mo, sir.
Yep. There you go. There is a space. Wow. Oh. It's moving.
So, yan.
There you go. Pwede bang picture yan? Oh.
Okay, wala na.
There you go. There's baby. Oh. There, baby.
Siya lang
Hi,
yan.
baby. How are you?
Dito natin to. Anong gusto mo? Anong gusto mo?
Yung may mukha po. There you go. There's baby. Wow, there's baby. Uh-oh, sorry.
Wala na. Again.
There's baby.
Imagine mo.
Yeah. There you go.
Ang gandang i-3D nito. Ay, hindi mo maka-3D. Mga i-3D. Ang kamay na.
Ayan. Oh, nakanga na naman. There you go. Ayun.
Minsan pag ayaw mo, hindi pa pwedeng i-3D. Pakita ng pakita. Pagka game ka na, ayaw na. O gender.
There you go. There's something in between his legs.
What could it be, but...
Oo, hinahawakan pa ni baby. Ayun, nunat yung paa niya. Nag-inat. Grabe, so talagang constant pala yung galaw nila, no?
Okay. Your baby's doing fine.
Thanks. Thank you, Lord. Yung weight po is ideal ba daw?
Yes.
So...
Tama, you're 23 weeks or 3 weeks by your last and 2 days off. Okay lang. 652.
There's your mom, baby. Okay.